Hi and welcome to a new video tutorial. In this video we're going to take a look at how to play the song Do I Wanna Know by Arctic Monkeys. I will say that this is a song for beginners, but it's not a super easy one. Even we are not going to use chords, but we have to move the hand up and down, and there are a few fast notes. So just be a little patient, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to make it. Okay? Tune your guitar and let's begin. On this song we're not going to use common chords. Instead we're going to play few different melodies using only the strings 4th, 5 and 6. And we start with our index finger and we put it on the 6th string, 1st fret. Then with the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret on the 6th string, that line that you see between the 1 and 3, it means that we have to do what we call a hammer-on. And it consists on, we play with the right hand the number 1, and then when we have to play the 3, we are not going to play it with the right hand. Instead, we are going to hit like a hammer. That's called a hammer-on. If you are a beginner and you find it too difficult, you can play both, of course. But I recommend to learn this technique because it's really common on guitar and we use it all the time, so it's a good way to play faster. Okay, so we go like that, and then we come 1st finger, 1st fret, 5th string, and back to the 3rd fret on the 6th string. So this first melody is, okay. Then the second melody starts with the same 1, 3 on the 6th string, 1 on the 5th string, but now we go to the 3rd fret, 4th string. And 1st fret, 4th string. Okay, I show you from the beginning. One more time. And now we're going to take the 3rd finger and we have to change the position, and we come to the 5th fret on the 5th string. Then 1st finger, 3rd fret, so it and then we take the pinky finger and we come to the 6th fret, 6th string. Then 1st finger on the 3rd fret, we do a hammer-on to the 5th and back to the 3rd. Now you see that we find the same line between those two threes, but when this line is between two numbers that are the same, it has another meaning. It's what we call tie, and that means that those two threes, or those two same tones that we have that line between them, they become one tone. And you maybe wonder, and why don't we only write one number instead? And that's pretty difficult to explain, and it's not the meaning with this video, so you have to trust me on that one. So when you find that line between two different numbers or two different tones. If it's from low to high, from 3 to 5 to 5, for example, that's a hammer-on. Okay? If it's from higher to lower, from 5 to 3, for example, we have to put both, and that's what we call a pull-off. And what we do is we play the first and we pull with the finger. Okay, hammer on, pull off. And if we have two exactly same tones with that line, with a tie, they become only one. So that last melody sounds like that. Okay, I show you from the beginning. One more time. Okay, and we continue. We come again with the pinky finger 6th fret 6th string, first finger on the 3rd fret 5th string, and 5th fret, sorry. Okay, I play this last melody. And then we have the first riff of the song. So I play the whole riff. One more time. Okay, and then the last time this riff that I played, it's what we play across the intro and the verse, all the time the same. But the last time we're going to jump from the bar 1, 2, and we jump to the bar 5. Okay, so it becomes like that. I'm on the beginning, bar 1, bar 2, and bar 5. Okay, I'll show you how to play the bar 5. We do hammer on from 3rd to 5th, and back to 3rd. So try from the beginning, playing bar 1, 2, and jump to the 5. Okay. Now we continue to the bar 6. 3rd finger on the 5th band, 5th string. And then we come with the pinky finger to the fret 10. And there's how we begin the chorus. So I show you the bars 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now I'm going to play the riff as if it's the last round just before the chorus. time. Bar 1, bar 2, bar 5, bar 6. Let's begin with the chorus now. We have to take the pinky finger, and we come to the 10th fret, and then we come to the 6th fret with the same finger. And that line that we have between the 10 and the 6 is what we call a slide. And what we do is that we don't have to lift the finger to change. Instead, we hold the finger down to do that effect. Okay? Then we come to the third band, to the 3rd fret, and we do a hammer-on. 6, 5, 3. So it becomes. Then we go with the pinky finger, 6th fret, 6th band, 6th fret, 6th string, and back to the 3rd fret on the 5th string. Okay. The next melody is, we start with the pinky finger and we do again hammer on from 3rd to 5th, and we move the index finger to the 3rd fret. Like that. I show from the beginning of the chorus. One more time. Okay, and now we play the same melody that we did on the beginning of the song. Okay? So from the beginning of the chorus, one more time. And then we play again from the 10th fret with the pinky finger, sliding to the 6th fret, on the same way as the beginning of the chorus. This is also the same. Okay, but now we come directly to the 3rd fret on the 6th string. So this second part of the chorus, it's where we start from the 10th fret. 1, 2. Okay, one more time. 1, 2. Okay, and that tone there, it's a whole tone, so we have to count until 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next 3 is 3. So we have to say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So I play the second part of the chorus. Okay, I play from the beginning of the chorus. Okay, and that we have, this thing that we have on the end is just that we have to begin again with the verse. So what we do is, when we play the 1, 3 and 1 from the end, we jump directly to the first bar. You see those 2 bars and 2 points? That means that the repeat is from there. Okay, so I show you the chorus and I continue into the verse. And there we are on the verse. Yeah. And that's everything for this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you want to be updated with new videos, and give it a thumbs up if you like the video, or just visit the website where you're going to find another tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.